Today I'm going to show you how to blur the background in Fotor quickly and cleanly using the built-in AI tools so you can make your subject stand out in just a few clicks. This is a great trick for profile photos, product images, portraits, or any picture where you want that professional depth of field look without needing complicated editing software. And if you want more simple tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Fotor's photo editor and load the image you want to edit. You can do this by clicking Open Image, or if it's easier, just drag and drop your photo directly onto the canvas. Once your image is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're working on the correct file, because everything you do next will affect that photo. Now, look at the left sidebar and click on the Adjust tab. This is where Fotor keeps a lot of its image enhancement tools, including the blur options. After that, scroll down until you find blur. When the blur controls open up, you'll see several options, but the one we want is blur background. Click that option to start the background blur process. At this point, Fotor's AI will automatically try to identify your main subject and separate it from the background. This is one of the best parts of the tool because it saves you a lot of manual work. Instead of blurring the whole image, Fotor focuses on keeping the subject sharp while softening everything behind them. Once the background blur is applied, you can adjust how the effect looks using the blur radius slider. Drag it to the left for a more subtle blur, or move it to the right for a stronger, creamier background effect. If you want a natural portrait style look, keep it moderate. If you want more separation and focus, increase the blur a little more. After that, zoom in and check the edges of your subject carefully. Sometimes AI gets very close, but not perfect, especially around hair, shoulders, glasses, hands, or detailed outlines. If you notice that part of the background didn't blur, or if Fotor accidentally blurred part of your subject, this is where the Add and Subtract tools come in handy. Choose Add if you want to paint more areas into the blur effect. This is useful when the background has small sections that were missed. Select Subtract if you need to remove blur from parts of your subject that should stay sharp. Then use the brush size controls to make your touch-ups more precise. A smaller brush works better for edges and fine details, while a larger brush is helpful for bigger background areas. Take your time here, because a few careful adjustments can make the final result look much more polished and professional. Once you're happy with the blur placement and intensity, click Apply at the bottom of the left panel. This locks in your changes so the effect stays on the image. After that, go to the top right corner and click Download to export your finished photo. Choose the file format and quality you want, then save it to your device. And that's it. You've successfully blurred the background in Fotor and created a cleaner, more focused image in just a few steps. This is a really useful editing skill, whether you're creating content, improving product photos, or just making your pictures look more professional. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy guides, and I'll see you in the next one.